guys, and welcome back. If anything looks weird, it's because I was recently on the phone with my sister. And I told her about how I wanted to film a video on how to make your own yarn out of fabric, right? It sounds amazing. And so I told my sister about this and she said it sounded boring. So I decided to make the most boring video on how to make your own yarn starting now. Yeah, it's really hard to swallow upside down. God. I guess I should preface this by saying I am not the first person to come up with this. I am recreating essentially what I found on YouTube. I will link examples below of other people's tutorials on this. I'm trying it out and I'm gonna see what I think about it. Because if it is a very effective way to make your own yarn, then I would love to make my own. Okay. Now, yarn time. Because we're gonna pick up some yarn on the way. 11 miles to Sandstone Road. I just arrived at Joann's, here to obtain the goods. The goods have been obtained. All right, so what did I get exactly to bore my sister to death? Let us see. I got 2 different types of yarn and very many different types of hooks. And it cost me a very boring penny. So the first one that I got was a knit stretch type fabric. I was looking for smooth edges for smooth crocheting, and when I pull it, I want that poppin' because I want it to go into what looks like it's already pre-made yarn. I got 2 yards of this one because I thought that maybe I could plan like a really special bag or basket or something with this one that would be fun. And another one that I did is this lovely, boring rainbow, which I love because I love rainbow color all the time. It's an anti-pill fleece. I was gonna get the regular fleece, the wonderful, lovely yellow fleece that I was looking at, but it was a blizzard fleece. This is anti-pill, and it's like, I don't know, I just thought if I had to choose between anti-pill and regular fleece, anti-pill seems like it's more anti-pilly. So I got anti-pill fleece, and the only thing, my only condition looking for the yarn, my only condition looking for this fabric was that when I look at the edges, I want them to be, excuse me. My only condition for the fabric was when I look at the edges, I want them to be smooth, because that lets me know that whenever I pull it, it should theoretically stretch up. I got hooks too. I got a size S. It is smaller than my other hook. Meet T, Meet S. They're the same brand. Boy, I wanted something that was in between the T and the R. You know what I'm saying? So I got the S, and then I feel like I'm speaking in some sort of code language. I also got Q, and then I went down from there. So I got Element P. For some reason, I don't know why, they don't have O in there. L, M, N, O. I don't think they know the alphabet. So I didn't get O because they don't know the alphabet. But I have what I believe I need. I'm going to start out by sewing this. Ooh, okay. Definitely needs to stretch this way. So I'm going to be sewing it with my doohickey called Brother. Brother is going to be helping me today. He is going to sew up the jig for me. It needs to go I think I'm just supposed to sew along here. I have to be honest with you. I watched the videos of people doing it online, but what I took in, we shall see. Yes. Yes. Okay. Do I trust myself? Maybe I should just cut like. I believe I can do it. Oh wait, maybe I should like measure this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be worth it. It's not gonna be messed up, is it? We don't know yet. We're not there. I just want to say this is kind of hard to do. I need a springy. Jesus Christ, I did not know cutting this was so hard. This hurts. This is literally an exercise. If you ever need an exercise for your wrist, as if crocheting was not enough of one, just cut this. Better be worth it. Oh my goodness. I hope I'm doing this right. The cuts are final. This is what it's looking like. Giving me a million reasons. Hey babe. Oh, 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 it's magic. You know, you'll regret it if it's not so. I think we just cut like hair. Right. I think we're just gonna cut all of these like that. Oh my gosh, this is just the selvage. But already it is like so awesome to work with. It looks so cute. I don't know if I can make it too thick. I think I may feel guilty, but I do want to make a really cool bag, but I could just, I don't know. Can't wait. What do I think? Obviously, we have a big ball of mess. I have not processed this all the way through yet, but guys, I am so excited. Okay, this one was super hard to do. The feel, the way that it crochets, I love the fleece. I think it's super fun and I cannot wait to make something with it. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be making with it. All I know is that it's one of a kind. I think that is what I'm most impressed about, is I've never worked with a yarn that reminded me of fleece strips and then crocheted up into this. I don't know. It's like the fleece is not going to go very far. I can already tell that. It doesn't stretch as much as what I thought it would, and that's okay. I'm probably just gonna plan like a little project. As you can see, the hook that I got, which was the S, I think it's a pretty good hook size for this. Look at it. It is so cute. I love it, okay? I love it, and I did not want to because the process of cutting this was a nightmare. I can definitely say if you are going to be cutting fleece up, do not use scissors like these. You really need to have at least spring-loaded scissors, and if you can get away with using a rotary cutter, I would do that because I had such a hard time. You saw I could not cut through this stuff. It was so thick. This one is gonna be a lot different. I mean, look at this. I was so debating about if I wanted to make it thicker because this is a different t-shirt yarn that I bought on AliExpress, and I remember thinking that it was very thin and I wasn't like super crazy about it, but it's very nice. Like, it's good quality. It's just not what I was expecting whenever I thought of t-shirt yarn. I thought of this, like the way that whenever I cut these little things, the salvage off after I sewed it, this is what I was thinking of when I thought t-shirt yarn, like it would roll under the edges. And that's what I thought the fleece would do, but the fleece, at least this fleece, didn't do that. But this knit fabric that I have, it does roll and tuck underneath, which I really like. I made a lot of cuts. I don't know how many cuts I made. All I know was it was a chunky cut amount, okay? But I mean, just like, look at it. I'm stretching it up right now, and like, this is what I wanted. This is the winner of the two for sure. I don't know that I was looking for a right side or a wrong side, but now that I look at it, it looks like the wrong side is on the outside and the right is in. And the stitches are not holding as well on this one, so that's something to keep in mind. If you are, you may have to go back and touch up stitches. I'm probably not going to, but that's just because once you get it crocheted into something, like, when is it gonna come apart? Okay, oh, I'm so excited. And I'm just getting started on this one. Oh my gosh. This is just so cool. Okay, I totally recommend doing a knit stretch t-shirt, like a soft t-shirt type material. I really want somebody else to try it and let me know what they think. I am going to be working on making this into yarn. I will probably update you guys. If I were going to do this again in the future, I would probably do 1 yard increments just because 2 yards is really too much for me. But yeah, I just like, I don't know. I really want to see what other people think. And I know that whenever I saw the tutorial online, I was like, I've got to try that. But then I also thought, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but now I can legit say that I love this. I'm just super stoked. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it was entertaining. I am so ready to use it. I can't even express, obviously. I'm having so much trouble expressing right now. I'm just like gushing, okay? Oh no, my baby. Okay, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in another video, I hope. All right. Bye!